Welcome back, my beautiful subscribers, to Ovamper. So I noticed that a good number of you don't know how to earn their 1 million from the Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Now this has gotten to me, so I want to help you solve it. Just make sure you tap on the daily cipher right up here. Make sure it's on this color, and now let's get onto it right now so that you see how you can claim your 1 million every day. When you open this Hamster Kombat, you want to get to daily cipher. Just make sure that it's like this particular one. Now, because the poll for today is poll, P-O-O-L. So for this letter P, that is short, long, short, you have to be fast about it. Just make sure that when it's short, you simply tap like this, and when it's long, you hold it a bit and release it. So let's do it. Letter P is short, long, short. Short, long, short. You see, the letter P is there. It's very easy.